first of all, we're celebrating the manufacturing sector, which is great to get everyone together. Secondly, of course, we are really thinking about some of the challenges we've got in the sector at the moment. And then, of course, we're going to focus on the opportunities. And there are a lot of opportunities around us going forwards. Once we get through this difficult period, we're looking at the net zero challenge and how that's going to create new industries in this country, which is great for all the people in the supply chain. We're going to be looking at new technologies as well, the digitisation agenda. And of course, a large part of the conference is going to be devoted to skills and what we're doing about labour shortages and what we're doing about attracting that next generation into this exciting sector.
When kids are practical, but they don't have the structure at home to do an exam, it doesn't mean they're not clever. It means they're probably going to be bloody good engineers, and it means they're probably going to be the people who find the solutions to all the problems we have in the world.
So I actually do think every time we make our own individual choices about what we read, which newspapers we buy, what we watch, what we listen to, we are deciding whether we are playing into populism or challenging it.
We will use all powers at government's disposal to buy, make and sell more here in Britain, to support British industry and reduce our reliance on fragile international supply chains.
It's really important that leaders get themselves educated on the topic of sustainability. It's going to be that defining moment for our society to be able to understand that, but not just an understanding, but an implementation of those strategies. So as leaders, we need to set the strategies, the correct ones, in order to drive revenue in our businesses, but also ensure that the environmental impact we're having is minimized and then eventually eliminated, while still ensuring that our businesses are profitable.
Yeah, we have a really strong apprenticeship scheme, and one of the things we want to do more with that is reach out further to our communities. We're actually doing some work with our local council to understand how we can do that better and target those kids who maybe don't have the opportunities put in front of them, but we showcase to them what's available and get them interested.
It's been good, everyone's been really friendly, and I've had many sort of technical discussions today, many friendly discussions today in the context of manufacturing and supply chains, all of that software, all of that stuff. So it's been really, really helpful, and made some new friends, so happy with that.